Lightning, the rapid electric discharging. So powerful, so destructive, and such fast natural phenomenon. Lightning can actually travel at speeds of up to 60,000 miles per second, and it's just so hot it can just burn down a tree in a blink of an eye. As a matter of fact, lightning itself is as hot as, or as hotter than the surface of the sun, which is about 30,000 kelvins. 30,000 kelvins. 30,000 kelvins.
Lightning will strike anything that stands high above the ground. Trees are a fate.
Now, even this such deadly and such powerful natural phenomenon has a reason to be created. Here, I'll show you how this lightning is actually created. Before lightning is formed, firstly, cold air and warm air has to meet up. As they meet up, the warm air goes up, resulting in the creation of thunderstorm clouds. The droplets are formed in the warm air, and the ice crystals are formed in the cold air. During the storm, they crash into each other and move apart in air. As these steps repeat, the static electrical charges are formed in the cloud. As the charges get strong enough and heavy enough, the negative charges that are at the bottom of the cloud are released to the ground. As the negative charges comes down to ground, in order to have less crashing with the air particles, the negative charges switches their path rapidly. That's the reason why lightning is so zigzagged. Now, as the negative charge channel called the step leader comes down toward the ground, the positive reacts to them. As the positive charges are attracted, they head toward the negative charges, and as they're connected, the electrons in the channel connect, and the channel is established, becoming a flashlight, what we see as a lightning. This lightning is so powerful it can just crash a building into pieces and injure a human to death. Meanwhile, during the storm,
perhaps
the altitude range of 50 to 90 kilometers above the Earth's surface,
the massive lightning
there is this
storms
cold
of the
plasma
American
form of lightning
prairies.
that occur in a
Scientists
color of
have nicknamed
luminous
these
reddish
flashes
orange.
sprites. They're
They're
almost
too
too
faint
faint
to be
to be
seen,
visible and
and
last
they last
a
only for
fraction
a
of a
few
second.
point seconds.
They're 10 miles wide and reach
Scientists
over
call them
50 miles
sprites.
straight up from the top of the storm.
They're triggered
Nobody
by
yet
the
knows
electrical
what they
discharges that
are
occur
or
above
how
the
the
storm
storm
sky.
creates them. Their power and their
Unfortunately,
effect on the
No
atmosphere
one knows
are
how
still
the lightning
mysteries.
creates them, and no one knows how they affect the Earth. There are many types of lightning. Although more are being discovered, there are 4 major types of lightning currently. The first lightning is the cloud-to-ground lightning. This cloud-to-ground lightning is the most commonly known lightning among people, although it only constitutes 25% of all lightning. This lightning is a discharged cloud in the lower part traveling to the positively charged ground. It is also the lightning that causes the most damage and so affects our lives the most. The second lightning is the intra-cloud lightning. This intra-cloud lightning is the most commonly known form of lightning. This intra-cloud lightning appears as a flash within the cloud occurring between the positive and the negative charges that are within the same thundercloud. However, not a lot of researches were carried out with this type of lightning. Our third type of lightning is the intercloud lightning. It is the least commonly known lightning. This lightning strikes between the positive and the negative charges in different clouds where it travels in the air between them. Last but not least, our ball lightning. This ball lightning, although it is not so common, it is the most unique type of lightning. It appears in the form of a glowing spear which drifts horizontally in the air, usually only lasting a few seconds. Unfortunately, it is not known how this lightning is caused and what this lightning do to our Earth. When you get struck by lightning, half of a chance you will die, and 1/3 of a chance you will get a cancer. Unfortunately, there have been many accidents caused by this lightning. For example, on June 29, 2011, On Tuesday, a lightning hit Ruranya Primary School in Kiryadongo district in western Uganda and had killed 19 students and 50 were injured. Also, on Wednesday, 26th of May 2010, at the Western Lake District, where each 4 hill walkers in separate places had separate incidents, which they were either struck by the lightning or experienced alarming near misses. All 4 of them had to be rescued by the Navy helicopter. All 4 of them were badly injured. Fortunately, these accidents that are caused by the lightning are decreasing ever since 2010. Scientists cannot tell the reason why, but they can tell that through the researches, the deaths caused by this lightning are actually decreasing every year. The rapid electric discharging, such that natural phenomenon. Only the when the sun is gone, 60,000 miles per second is traveling hotter than the surface of the sun. Such beautiful natural phenomenon. L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G. Let's go! This is the water procedure. From cloud to ground, the lightning begins. But a negative channel with a stepped leader. From bottom of the cloud, negative emergence. Positive charge goes up as both to each other. Positive and the negative channel connect to each other. The channel is shown and electricity flowing. After upward, the return of positive starts flowing. Like the flashlight seen as lightning. Part of the surface of the sun. Burn! If it can strike, will you just burn around? It can just strike from anywhere. Underground to air. Just burn your hair and it's sticking in a flare. Some things to be cautious to avoid the lightning. Make sure to stay away from high grounds, high trees, and tall buildings. The rapid electric discharging, sustained a natural phenomenon. You can see only when the sun is gone. 60,000 miles per second is traveling hotter than the surface of the sun. Such beautiful natural phenomenon. L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G. Letting through the storm, starting outcry. When electrical discharges occur above the stormy sky, rise to a different visual flicker in the night sky. Trigger better discharges of positive lightning high. With the cloud that are brown, that are underlined, they appear in a reddish orange color, about 100 kilometers above the earth. They're found way before hitting many people murder. They're first discovered by the sea sailors, who said they saw the light above the skyline. People didn't believe them, saying they were lying. They were discovered again in 1999 by scientists from the University of Minnesota, who's looking to capture the short sort of phenomena. Sprites, such cold phenomena or plasma. Haha! Rapid electric discharging, sustained a natural phenomenon. When it is when the sun is gone, 60,000 miles per second is traveling hotter than the surface of the sun. This beautiful natural phenomenon. L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G. Yeah.